Hello all my fam. I'm going to be showing all you people how to make a mask, or actually 2 masks, in just a few seconds. So let's get this thing started. Okie dokie guys, so I'm going to be doing this on my floor because it's the most safest place instead of my bed, because I don't want to cut my covers. So anyways, all you want to do is get a plain white t-shirt. And actually, this camera, my phone is actually being stood up on toilet paper, of course. Might as well, because of this occasion. So, okay, so what you want to do is kind of fold it out like this. And let's see. I want to get a good shot at the sleeves, because this is going to be your mask. Each sleeve is going to be your mask. I know this is a wrinkly t-shirt. Just found it in the closet. I was like, what the heck? So, also you need a pair of scissors, which is also blue. Just like my shirt. But anyways, so what you want to do is cut right here on the line from top to bottom on each, well, just have it folded like this, obviously, like a normal t-shirt, and just start cutting. Hopefully these scissors will cut it. If not, then oh well. I think it's starting to cut. Yeet. So you want to make sure you're getting it in the line. I know I'm probably messing this up quite a bit. But if you don't get it at the line, it is fine as well, but you kind of want to, just in case. And see, you got a mask in just a few seconds, even though I gapped it pretty good. It's still a good mask, and I will show you how you put it on. Now it's time to put the mask on, and here's what it looks like. So it's a sleeve, obviously. So just to make sure to put it on right, you want to have this line where it's sewed. You want this at your back, well, at the back of your head, and you'll see why in a second. So mine is kind of tight, so bear with me for a moment. But also, you also want to make sure you get a larger size up than what you wear, so that way it will fit over your head, even though I've got a big head. I know, laugh at it. But anyways, let's put it on. But it's a good thing that it is tight, so that way it keeps all the germies out. So, here it is. It's like a little, saloon western type of, like, bandana mask, basically, but I think it works great. And you can also pick any color. I just chose white because I don't really wear plain white t-shirts. I do have a brown one, but I don't think you guys would have liked it. So yeah, you get 2 masks out of 1 object. So you could find this at your home. You can find it at any store, basically, well, that sells plain white t-shirts. Of course, they have to sell plain white t-shirts, if they sell clothes at the store, that is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was going to post it on my vlog, but I was like, you know what, this needs to be just a video by itself. So hopefully enjoyed, and be safe. So if you do use scissors, guys, which obviously you have to, or get a box cutter, but if you're a little kid, make sure to have your parents around, or let your parents do it for you. I know I didn't like to have my parents do it for me, but, you know, it's safe. And so, yeah. So, be smart, be safe, and don't try it at home alone. So, anyways, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And comment below if you want more of these making masks videos, because I'll try to find something else to make masks with. If you guys want. If this video gets up to maybe 10 likes, then I'll do another mask video. So, see you guys next week. Well, actually, not next week. What am I talking about? Well, yeah, actually, next week, because I'm going to be posting it this week. Okay, see you guys later. Also, guys, I was about to start editing my videos, and I just realized something. You can also design these white plain t-shirt sleeves masks. I'm gonna call it that, I guess. T-shirt mask or whatever. You can also decorate it with markers, whatever you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. I forgot to mention it, so now you know.